Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. Seeing clouds start to clear out of here with some additional sunshine from this morning. These mid-level clouds had moved out. Seeing temperatures starting to warm up into the mid-50s at the moment and have a light variable wind currently. Take a look at the current surface analysis. Still have this surface boundary that's kind of washing out over the region. We'll have this secondary boundary well off to the west that will push through later this evening. Bringing some showers mainly north of the local area, but very slight chance of one of those showers making it down to the Wallops area. But otherwise, we'll see some breezy conditions as this front pushes through. If you look at the upper level winds from this morning's balloon sounding, we have some west-northwesterly winds down near the surface of 24 knots, and we'll see a gradual increase in the winds as we go up through the column, becoming more westerly with a peak wind of 110 knots at 25,000 feet, and the freezing level is at 7,700 feet. If you look out there at the current visible satellite, we can see those clouds continue to move off the coast, off to the east, with just a few mid-level clouds and mainly a few high clouds around, and some mild temperatures over the region. If you look at the short-term high-resolution model, see how things play out next couple of days as we go through the day today, expecting things to remain mainly dry, and as that boundary pushes through, likely see a breeze pick up for the mid to late part of the afternoon. As you can see here, showers mainly moving through to the north with a very slight chance of a light shower or sprinkle passing through our area here at Wallops. But that should push off the coast. We'll see some clearing in the skies, and then that boundary will eventually lift back north as we get into our Wednesday as a warm front. That's going to bring some additional cloud cover as we go through the day Wednesday, and maybe even another very slight chance of a passing sprinkle or light shower as we go through the day Wednesday. And we'll see those winds pick up out of the south as we go into Wednesday evening and into the day on Thursday. That's going to allow very warm temperatures to move into the area going through the overnight Wednesday and into Thursday, setting up for a very warm Thursday, but expecting dry conditions for Thursday. We can zoom out and take a look at the longer term model. Starting Thursday evening, again expecting dry conditions to continue through Friday with some breezy conditions, and we'll have another disturbance start to move towards south of the area and pass through just to our south as we get into Saturday, bringing us a chance of some precip passing through the area. Very slight chance of maybe seeing some flurries mix in with some of this rain as it passes by, but not high confidence in that yet. Depends on how cold the air is at the time, but otherwise, just expecting some showers pushing through, and then things likely drying out as we get into Sunday with high pressure building back in to start next week. So looking at the 24-hour weather risk chart for today, we expect the temperatures to get into the 60s today, topping off around 63. Should see a west-southwesterly wind start to pick up as we get into the afternoon hours, and then a couple of hours of some breezy conditions as that front starts to pass through. Seeing peak gusts up to 26 knots. So do have that orange risk for winds that are above 25 knots as we get towards the second half of the afternoon and start of the evening. But we'll see temperatures cool down just a bit to around a low of 38 as we go through Wednesday morning. We'll see those winds lighten up, becoming more northerly to northeasterly as we get into the start of the day on Wednesday. But otherwise, just a very slight chance of a sprinkle as that boundary moves through, and then we'll see some clearing behind that. Tides are running slightly above normal at the moment. Next couple of days from Wednesday, start off partly cloudy, and we'll see those clouds increase as that warm front lifts through the area. That very slight chance of a late morning, early afternoon sprinkle or rain shower as that front lifts through, but otherwise slightly breezy with a high of 53. As we go into Wednesday evening, expecting a very mild evening and temperatures slowly climbing as that warmer air ushers in. Mostly partly cloudy for Wednesday evening, unseasonably warm with a low around 50, so that'll be early in the evening that we'll see those temperatures start to creep up. I have a slight chance of some low clouds and maybe even a very slight chance of a sprinkle moving through just before sunrise. We do have that yellow chance for those reduced ceilings, and we'll see those winds start to increase as well as we get into the day, approach the day on Thursday. So we'll keep the yellow risk for winds that are above 25 knots as we go into the day on Thursday. Expecting partly cloudy, the most of sunny conditions, very warm conditions with a high around 75, but we will have a breezy wind for our day Thursday with an orange risk of those winds above 25 knots. Looking at the extended forecast as we get into Friday, expecting a partly cloudy day on the breezy side, with starting off on the mild side with a high around 56, and we'll see temperatures gradually drop later in the day to a more seasonable low around 28 Friday evening into Saturday morning. As we go into Saturday, we'll have that chance of rain moving into the area, looking at about a 40% chance at the moment. Again, a very slight chance, maybe seeing some flurries mixed in with that. But otherwise, a cooler day with a high around 42. Then going into Saturday evening, expecting a low around 34. And then Sunday, another most cloudy and breezy day with a high around 54. And then going into the start of next week, expecting a fairly seasonal start to the week with a low around 33 and a high around 52, with just some partly cloudy conditions for our Monday. That will wrap up the 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We'll be back again tomorrow at 8:15 and 10 a.m. Enjoy the rest of your day.